Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Yes, you can see in this video I am going to prepare homemade pizza. Yeah, so from many days I thought of trying for it, but today I am really about to make a homemade pizza. So sometimes occasionally we can have it, nothing wrong in that. Pizzas really, sometimes if we eat, it offers a complete meal with protein, carbohydrates, fats. Yeah, mental satisfaction ఉంటుందన్నమాట బయట వెళ్ళి outside if we go and have it in the restaurants, that is different. And when we ourselves make it and give it to our family and children, that is entirely different, right? Yeah, if we add the toppings, as veggies and these all things, then it becomes a very healthy diet, right? Yeah. So this pile of veggies, like adding pepper, onion, some people they add mushrooms. I have not included. Some they add spinach also to increase the fiber and all. So you can choose the toppings also.
కొంచెం పోడు ఫస్ట్
And 1 to 2 slices you can have it, and your stomach will be full. Yeah, you can pair it sometimes with the salad also. Yeah, balance the meal with adding a leafy green salad if you like it. Yes, so once in a week we can have it. So let me tell you how I made my pizza at home. Okay, so let me tell you how I made pizza at home. So firstly I boiled few tomatoes and garlic in a bowl, and then I just boiled it nicely, peeled off the tomato skin, and then strained all the water from it, and then I put it in the mixie. I did a blending and then tomato smash. After that I spread it on the this base of the pizza. Yeah, nicely I spread it, and then added some paneer, diced paneer, which is already ready made. Then I added some tomato sauce, and then pepper, salt, mayonnaise, and then on the top I added some cheese sheets. Okay, and then I kept in a pan. I didn't want to use the oven and all, so I thought of trying it in an open pan. So after 7 to 8 minutes, I could easily see it has come out very well. I could smell the aroma of the pizza. Yeah, this mozzarella cheese is there. I just sprinkled on it, and then you could see the layer of the cheese, mozzarella cheese. Wow, it was really very, very yummy to taste. Yes, I thought it would be a very, very difficult task, but it was so easy to prepare. Yeah, and it was so yummy. And occasionally having this pizza is good. Okay, it's not wrong. So it's very fast and accessible. We can make it very quickly, no issues. When the veggies are ready, mozzarella cheese and cheese sheets, everything is ready, we can make it very quickly, providing a quick filling meal. Yes, so some disadvantages are also there if you have pizza. Yeah, firstly you will have weight gain, calorie and fat density, you will gain your weight. Yeah, and occasionally if you eat, there is no issue in it. Sometimes if you eat this pizza, because it contains high cheese, so high cheese content can cause constipation sometimes. So be careful when you have pizza. 1 or 2 pieces are okay. So that's all guys. So bye guys.